and welcome to our Amplified Life. Today we are doing a fall refresh, and I think sometimes we get to thinking, oh, I've got that in my closet, I probably don't need anything else, and we start telling ourselves these things. What I'm going to challenge you to do is take a look at those pieces in your closet, like your basic black trouser that I'm going to show you in a minute, and are they a little too well loved? Is it time for them to retire and be refreshed? So we've got some different looks here for you today that are going to be about, some it's going to be like pops of color to add to your wardrobe to refresh it. Sometimes it's going to be taking basics and freshening those up. So just open your mind to the opportunities available this fall. Okay, I'm going to start out, and I kind of alluded to this, but this is our diplomat trouser. And gals, this is a to die for black trouser, and I know we've all got 5 black trousers in our closet, but I'm going to challenge you to retire at least one, maybe a few of those, and add this. This is a beautiful silhouette. It has slash pockets in the front, just little flat pockets on the back, and then just a hint of a slit at the ankle so that you've got a little bit of a shoe highlighter, and it's in that scuba fabrication that you guys have been loving the last several seasons. So this is a basic that's going to live on for a good long time in your wardrobe. Now, my vintage piece this time is the Sunbeam cami that we had, I think it was spring 23. And I thought that it just so perfectly pulled out the yellow stripe on our pop crop pullover. Now, I know a lot of you guys are going to look at this and go, that's too short, I can't wear that. But I'm going to, again, challenge you to open your mind to the possibility and wear a fun, longer top underneath it that either pulls out one of the fun colors that's in it. We've got the gorgeous mesh star print fabric in, I can't remember the name of it, but it's a fantastic long sleeve top that's a tunic length that would be great under this. You've got all kinds of tops that are going to look fantastic under that sweater. So don't shy away from that. All right. The next piece I want to talk about is our skirt. And this little faux leather skirt, I think a lot of you guys are going to say, oh, I've got to wear that more dressy. But I have dressed it down here with, what's the name of this guy? You guys, I have cabi amnesia today, so you're just going to have to bear with me. This is our chaser tee. So this is kind of a elevated basic, but again, it just really pulls the overall feel and vibe of this skirt down to more casual. Could you wear it super dressy? Absolutely. It does have the slit in the front. It's designed to be worn in the front. And then, you know how I feel about dark denim. I'm in love with our dark wash Venice trouser. I've already been singing the praises of this jean for the last several weeks. So if you missed it, go back and watch those videos. I'm not going to talk about it a bunch more today, but I thought how fun it is to pair it with a uni jacket and then our complete top in that beautiful olive. You've got kind of a twin set. And then, of course, our cute little spotty scarf, which is that twilly type scarf that we have again this season. I thought we'd also play around with the swagger trouser. So this has got a plaid through it. I think the olive goes beautifully with it. It's going to be another good staple for your closet. And then I wanted to bring in another vintage piece. Many of you may have this in your closet. This is the Ovation top from fall 23. It has a black base, but you can see all the green. And look at how beautifully that goes with the uni jacket. You can tuck it in and wear it with the skirt. Of course, you can wear it with the black trouser and have it peeking out from beneath the little crop top. So enjoy your wardrobe, ladies. Pull out things that make you excited. It's time to boot the ones that don't to the curb and get some things that you truly love in your closet that you've got on a normal rotation. Amy, let's see what you've got.
Okay, well, if you're like me, it's really hard to boot anything to the curb cabi, but I agree with Rebecca. It is time to kind of bring new life into some of our pieces. So for my refresh, I decided to go with columns and basics because staples to me are the things that are the bones to my wardrobe. I can always accessorize, I can add color, but I tend to be a very classic. I know it may not seem like it because I print mix a lot, but my core style profile is classic. And so if I have those classic staples in my closet, then I can go as funky as I want or as conservative as I want. And so I wanted to bring in a couple of pieces that maybe we have already had, but this is a new colorway, kind of a combination. So my first look is a great column of color, and it's what I'm calling the uncolored color. It's our gray that has sort of a silver-esque eye to it. And so I'm going to start with our stealth jacket, which is definitely a staple in my wardrobe. I love any jacket that doesn't feel like a structured jacket. So this stealth jacket is in that yummy knit fabrication that we had in the headline topper last season. And then our Charlie pullover is just a really nice, lightweight, thin pullover that can go back to anything in your wardrobe, whether it's business attire or jeans. And then the non-color color of the season is our compass pant. Now, you guys, any of you that have bought the compass pant, you know you love them. And so this is the refresh for the season. It's the exact same silhouette, but I'm truly calling this silverish gray the uncolored color because a lot of women that may not feel comfortable wearing color on their bottoms might actually really love this. It's just a really good basic neutral, and it's going to go back to everything in your wardrobe, and so it's a great staple to pull those in. Now for my second look, the refresh is our Johnny jacket. I know many of you probably have denim jackets that you've worn to death. They're your staples. This one is going to be a new fresh look for you. Rebecca talked about the Venice trouser. This would make a great Texas tuxedo with it if you're totally into the denim on denim right now. It's a dark over dye with the contrast stitching. It's cut like a blazer. So this is going to be that perfect denim jacket to wear a little dressier, to put over your dresses, to add to your skirts, maybe to dress up your uncolored color jeans with a heel or a pump. And then underneath it, I have our complete top, which is a silhouette that we have loved for the last few seasons in a new fresh color with this season's chargo. So I know many of you that got the chargo in the fall in black have absolutely worn them to death. So how about refreshing that column of color and that comfortable outfit with our beautiful hunter green and our Johnny jacket. I just love this column together. Next, I love a good sweater that's actually a cardigan that feels like a jacket. Pullovers are harder for me, as you know, so this is our Eastwood cardigan. It is the softest, most yummy cabling. It's a little bit cropped, so it's perfect for the way I like to wear a jacket. And then refresh. How many of you have 50 million Serenity tees, but do we have this color yet? It's extremely cosmetic and beautiful. And to refresh our vintage piece, we have our gorgeous tribute trouser from spring, and I'm pairing that back with the Serenity tee and this really fun Eastwood cardigan. However, if you didn't get, I don't know why, but if you didn't get the tribute trouser and you still want that idea of kind of a straight cropped leg, this season's new silhouette in our jean is our Soho jean. It's got this gorgeous designer stripe going down the back side, and it's high-waisted with that straight yet cropped leg. So super fun to transition into that now and later. But this is a great capsule, not really a capsule, but sets of basics that you could add to your closet to give it the refresh it needs. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget, we will be back next week with a fresh video. All fall, we'll be doing this. So comment, subscribe, share to your friends. We really do this for our own cabi clients, but that may be your best friend that haven't even discovered cabi yet. So go ahead and share these videos with your friends. Give them one of our books, give them our website. We love and appreciate the referrals. And don't forget, if you do refer someone that decides to host a party, you get an additional item at 50% off the night of their show. So it can't hurt to talk about things that you love, just like you would your favorite movie. That being said, have a wonderful weekend, and we will see you next week.